Hey guys, so I purchased the Cricut Easypress 2 bundle, and it's the rose color bundle. It is strictly from Joann's. I don't believe you can find this bundle at any other store but Joann's. That's the rose color one. So I'm gonna open it. I'm opening this with one hand, so bear with me. So first I have an envelope, and it says let's do this, and on the back it has a little Cricut sticker. Then we have the Easypress itself and the little base that it goes in. And that's what it came bundled with, that white box. So I will open that and show you guys as well. And that's it for the box. I'm going to put that to the side and begin opening the Easypress. Ooh. Yes, that pink color. It's so cute. I'm loving it. And it came with a bag to come in, and that is the cord. A little base to put it in once it's done heating, or once you're done using it, you just put it in the base. Like so. And then inside of the box, it came with some pre-cut vinyls and one that says Home Sweet Home. Super cute. One that has some leaves and like flowers. I do have the heat press heating up. That is a bee, and then that is a Feeling Pretty one. Those are super easy to use. You place them on a shirt, put the Easypress on them, and boom. After 30 seconds, they are done. It also came with 2 sheets of gold vinyl, glitter gold vinyl, and 2 sheets of pink, light pink vinyl. And then it came with this mat for when you're doing projects. You can place your item, your t-shirt or whatever on top, and press with the Easypress right on top of your item, and you won't have to worry about damaging your counter space or anything like that. So I thought that was really good. Easypress is heating up. It's at 290 and it says 30 seconds. I am going to press this letter C that came with my bundle onto the bag. And there it goes. Sorry, the numbers are upside down. I did do this upside down, but the numbers are starting to count down, so you know it is working. And And it is ready. Yay. So you just have to wait a few seconds for it to cool down and then begin to peel it off. Well, the plastic part off. Just gonna press over the back really quick with the Easypress. I'm just changing the settings of 15 seconds. And it is finished. Yay! I love the way it came out. It's so cute. And that C is on there pretty good. So now whenever I want to travel with my Easypress, I can put it in my bag and just bring it with me. I also have the sky blue color Cricut Explore Air 2